Highlighting the urgent need to reduce road accidents, the Chief Minister on Monday stressed the importance of adopting a comprehensive 4E approach to ensure road safety and save lives. Addressing a gathering, the Chief Minister said that accidents can be significantly reduced if all stakeholders work together with a clear and structured strategy. Explaining the concept, the Chief Minister said the first E is education, which focuses on spreading correct information and creating awareness among road users. The second E is enforcement, which involves strict implementation of traffic rules and regulations. The third E, engineering, relates to the construction of safer roads, bridges, and improved traffic infrastructure. The fourth E is emergency, ensuring quick access to medical care and emergency services for accident victims. The Chief Minister further proposed adding two more E's, environment and engagement. Environment refers to developing road systems that are safe and sustainable, while engagement stresses the active participation of citizens, communities, and institutions in promoting road safety. He stated that if these 6 components are effectively implemented, nearly 95% of road accidents can be prevented.
चारोटी गोल्डन रूल अच्छी गोटे है एजुकेशन, एनफोर्समेंट, इंजीनियरिंग एवं इमरजेंसी विपद समय रे तुरंत सहायता एवं गुरुत्व दिया जाई पारिबो ताहले मध्य अनेक जीवन सेव हो पारिबो। तार सहित आउ दुईटी पॉइंट को मध्य मु जोड़ुची गोटे है एनवायरनमेंट एवं आउ गोटे है एंगेजमेंट बा इभाल्यूशन सचेतनता आहुरी अधिक करा जिबार आवश्यकता अछि कि यदि यह को देखा जिवो इभाल्यूशन करा जिवो ताहले मध्य अनेक क्षेत्र में निश्चित भाव में कमिबो।